Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove a DocuSign envelope ID. All right. Specifically, when you're trying to send a document to another person, your document ID will be visible. Okay. So to eliminate that, just go ahead and log into your DocuSign account. Down here, go to the top and click on admin. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Okay. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to the left panel right here. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit until you find the signing and sending section. Okay. Down here, just click on sending settings. Click on it. Now, as you can see here, we have a ton of tick boxes or checkbox. So what we'll do here is just find enable including the envelope ID on the document right here. As you can see, mine, it's grayed out because I haven't subscribed to a DocuSign plan. But if you do have a plan, you have that option to disable or enable it from here. Okay, as you can see, enable including the envelope ID on the document. Also include envelope ID by default. You just have to untick this one. And after that, go ahead and hit on save right here at the very bottom. And once done, you're good to go. Well, that's how you remove a DocuSign envelope ID. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.